Hey everybody, it's Philip Bridges here today, and today we got our honey to-do list, and our spouses are at our throats, and we got a lot of stuff to do, and we got little time to do it because it's game day, and we just want to get back to relaxing on the couch. But one of the things we'll mark off the list is really easy to do. They've been probably nagging at you for a while is to clean the exhaust fans in the bathrooms. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take them down, we're going to clean them, we're going to get all the dust out of it. And it's a really simple project to do, and it makes everybody happy because no one likes looking up at the exhaust fans and seeing all that dust caked on there. It just doesn't seem like it's very healthy for us. But so what we're going to do is we're just going to take them down, and this one just unscrews like this. You might want to get a 10-in-1 just so you have all the options of different screwdrivers or nut drivers depending on your exhaust fan on how you got to take it down. So this one just unscrews with two Phillips heads. And we're just going to unscrew it down. And we're going to save those. We don't want to lose them. And screw this one and kind of watch it when they come down because some will fall right down, and some are even on spring clips, so you can easily just like grab and pull on them and unclip them. This one's a little bit more complex because it's an older style, and so it has really long screws. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to unclip it from the unit. And this one's pretty clean because I usually clean them every year, so there's not really any dust in here, but you can take a vacuum and you can get all the dust out of it just with a brush attachment. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to just basically take it over to the sink and we're going to wash it. So I'll do that and we'll get right back to you. All right, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to your sink and you're going to want to fill the tub up with some hot soapy water so you can let all the grills that you pull out from your bathroom fans, and you're gonna set them in there after you fill up the tub. You're gonna let them set in there for about 5 or 10 minutes. Just let them get all let the soap do its work and stuff. I use Dawn. It gets the grime and everything out of it. It works pretty good. Then after you let it sit, you're gonna take like a paintbrush, an old paintbrush or whatnot, and you're gonna just go along and you're gonna get all the dirt out of the crevices and all of the dust, and you're just gonna kind of want to scrub it all off, and it'll help loosen all the dirt. And we just basically kind of painting on the water, and so you just go around the whole thing, clean it all off. And we're going to just let it sit again for a little bit, and then if you have another lens on it like I have mine, we're gonna put this in the water, and then we're gonna wash this off too. And that's pretty simple. You can do it really quick, and it's doesn't take very much time. And a lot of people neglect this and totally forget to do it. And you need to do it every once in a while because it'll save on your fan too. Because if you get all the dust and stuff build up in there, when you have your fan going, it's going to basically kind of overheat the motor, because you're going to have so much dust built up on the motor after many years that your fan's going to go out. So you're going to really save on the longevity of your fan if you do this at least every year. And so, like with mine has a light kit unit already in this, so I'm not gonna clean this off and then just put it right back up. You're gonna have to let it dry for a while, and you just want to do that with all of them. It's just get them all cleaned up and let them dry. You clean them up, and halftime, or even at the end of the game, you could just run around, put them all up. It's like 5 minutes to just throw everything back up, and then you score some extra brownie points with your spouse. So it's a really simple, easy project to do on a Sunday morning or midday. Right before the game comes, and you look like a hero, and you still get to watch your game too. So if you think this is a pretty helpful tip, you know, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any other ideas of quick household honey to-do lists that we can check off on the box. And make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button too, so you can always get my updates. When I update my videos, you'll get that notification saying, hey, come watch my video. So thanks for watching. I'm Philip Bridges, and I'll see you soon.